Hi, I'm Rose Dyson. I am the ITIL and DevOps specialist and lead instructor at GDLS Australia. Welcome to the DevOps Institute Guru Cafe. Let's have a quick look on how DevOps is used from inside ITIL 4. Well, I'm going to have to assume that you have either read these two books or you're very familiar with the DevOps camps and the ITIL 4 value chain. So how do we get this working from inside this? This is the ITIL 4 new framework. Well, we do it from here, from ITIL 4 value chain. This is where developers pick up items from the product backlog and turn it into viable products. It goes through the sprint and release planning, build and test, the sprint retrospective that promotes improvement in every single sprint, as long as we make time for that. But the question is, do we really deliver viable products? Are they actually valuable? Well, it depends if the product satisfies the customer's requirements, if it is delivered on time, if it does not break something else, also it is supported and actually helps the customer to do what they need to do with ease. ITIL makes sure that both utility and warranty requirements are actually satisfied, while sometimes only the utility requirements appear in the product backlog. This is where ITIL 4 dimensions, value system, and value chain assures that we deliver governance and with agility and speed, because after all, those are also very important requirements. All built in your DevOps automated environment. Believe it or not, it is possible, but you will not be able to buy this off the shelf. Unfortunately, you're going to have to build it with the help of your DevOps engineers and also your ITIL engineers. This is all we have time for today. I hope this helps. Feel free to contact me on LinkedIn. Enjoy your day. See ya.